Hello, this is Stephen Withrow with Webicator. In this video, I'm going to show you a solution Bozhidar Bozhanov came up with for on Java generics and Erasure. Mr. Bozhanov agreed to let us create this video showing his solution, which is available as an article here at the URL shown here. Generics are erased during compilation. Well, not all the time. As Bozhidar points out, generics are not erased when the generics are part of the class structure. He verifies this by setting up a class test class, and in the main method uses reflection in order to verify that type data is available at runtime for the class foo. So, when does type erasure actually occur? The answer? During program flow. And Bozhidar gives us another example in which an array list is instantiated and typed to string. An iterator is set up to process the elements of the array list. I have put this code in a Java file. Here is the file, test type erasure. At the top of the file, in the first part of the main method, I have the code that the author has in his blog. I've actually added some new code to add a couple of items to the array list, so we'll have some output to look at. I will compile the code and then run the code, and we get the output indicated. Now what I'd like to do is comment out the code that contains the generics and uncomment out the transformed code. In other words, the compiler is going to generate this code based on what we have presented in the first part of the main method. So I'll uncomment this out. Notice that the types have been erased. On the array list instantiation, the type is missing now. It's been erased. Also notice the cast that has been added by the compiler in the while loop. So I'll save my changes. We'll compile, and now we'll test, and we get the same result. Therefore, of course, the code generated by the compiler is going to produce the same result that we desire using the generics. Thanks again to Bozhidar for the inspiration for this video. I hope you found this presentation useful. Check out Bozhidar's blog at the URL shown here for more articles on Java generics and Erasure.